This video is going to cover the types of solar energy. So we're going to start by looking at active and passive solar. So active solar uses mechanical or electrical equipment to capture the sun's heat or convert light rays directly into electricity. So this would be solar hot water heaters or photovoltaic cells. We're going to cover these in the next section a little bit more. So this is an example of active solar. Passive solar is simply using your construction of your home or things around it to absorb or block the heat. There's no mechanical pieces, no electrical pieces. Examples of this could be sunshades to block the sun. In the winter, it's low enough to get in and heat up your home, but in the summer, it's high enough so that it doesn't heat up your home. Using insulation to trap heat or keep heat out. Ventilating to let heat out. You can use skylights to decrease your electrical usage. Changing the color of your roof. So you're going to notice if you ever travel around that in northern locations in the US, we all have dark roofs because we want to absorb the heat in the wintertime. In the south, they have lighter color roofs because they want to reflect the sun's heat because they get more sunny days. Active and passive solar is used for heating and cooking. This is used worldwide for centuries, so this is pretty common technology. So it's generated directly through the heat. Passive is based on your home or building's design. So again, the windows, sunshades, putting up trees. Active uses solar connectors on the roof and a pump to move heating through your house. So there's some liquid, could be water, some other liquid that's moving through your house. There's no environmental or human health effects. So yay for that. Advantages, there's no CO2. It's renewable. There's no mining of fossil fuels involved. Now I want to go a little bit more into photovoltaic cells. So you're going to see this interchangeably in the AP exam. Photovoltaic cells are just solar panels. They're the same thing, but the AP used to only use PV cells or photovoltaic cells. Now they kind of use both. So it's used for electricity. So Germany and China lead the world in research and technology development of solar panels. But solar ray farms, the largest that exist, are in Morocco and India. So power is generated inside a solar panel by these electrons that are inside silicon, or in addition to, sometimes they use mirrors to concentrate the sun's ray towards a tower. So this is an example right here. You've got a tower, and all of these mirrors are pointing there, and they're going to concentrate the energy up here. Inside the tower is some sort of liquid, water or another liquid, gets turned into steam, turns a turbine, same process as we've seen. Now, the problem with these is all these little tiny mirrors cause an environmental problem that they can kill birds because they make little laser beams of 750 degrees, and a bird that flies in front of it is basically incinerated and instantly killed. There's toxins associated with the mining of the silicon for the photovoltaic cells, but there's no general human health impact. So advantages of using solar panels is it sends the electricity back to the grid, they're renewable, and there's no CO2 released. Some disadvantages that you should know about is that you can't store the electricity, and it's highly intermittent based upon the amount of sun available. So those are things that we should keep in mind when considering solar energy.